Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear DQ. Happy birthday to you. Yeehaw! Alright, that's a bit extra. But, you know me, I'm a bit extra. So, obviously, we're doing the Piñata Party Blizzard review. Did Dairy Queen even celebrate their 75th anniversary? I'm gonna have to look that up, because I feel like 75 is more special than 80. But anyways, finally was able to get the Piñata Party Blizzard. I'm quite excited. I'm a little late compared to some people. This is officially the first day that it's out, but some of these famous people just find ways to get things first, and it's making it hard for me to get some notoriety out here. Anyways, I swear, over the last couple years, I've never had more blizzards in my life. Been reviewing a lot and posting a lot for Instagram, and then B, I just like to eat the blizzard of the month, or the newest blizzard, the summer blizzard menu. So it's been a nice couple years where I've been like expanding what I eat, and that includes the blizzards. So yeah, this one's pretty exciting. It's got cake pieces. It's got the same base as the why did I say caramel? It has the same pieces, same base as the animal cookie blizzard. I gotta wake up, guys. I'm sorry, but same base. So I'm pretty excited because that was a really good blizzard. Now I got some hate on that review, and I don't think I looked my best. And I don't know. I should probably do better some days when I do reviews, but man, it looked rough. But I gave a good review, I felt. I mean, I gave an honest opinion. I just didn't look great. And so now I'm back here with this blizzard, and I'm pretty daggone excited, if you ask me. So yeah, Dairy Queen's Piñata Party Blizzard. We're gonna review this, but before we do, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share this video. Check out my Instagram, Redneck Snacking Food. So yeah, happy birthday, Dairy Queen. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see what else you bring us in the future. So here we go. The moment y'all been waiting for. That is very sweet and delicious. I kind of forgot how the animal cookie blizzard tasted for a minute there, and so that's a good reminder. I'll go ahead and get the whipped cream off of this thing. I spilled some already. Spilled some blizzard already. But no, I forgot to show y'all. Well, you'll see my thumbnail. There's the what? Oh, I just spilled some on my leg. Casualty. But if you could see, the whipped cream had like nice colorful sprinkles. So I don't want to spill anymore. I had to pay 79 cents for this thing because my coupon didn't cover it for some reason. Irritated me. Oh well. You would think when they flip your blizzard upside down, well, when they don't flip your blizzard upside down, that they would allow for you to get a free blizzard of any kind as replacement. But no. Nope. That is not the case. So far, it's really good. Very sweet base with cake pieces. Y'all know how I feel about those cake shakes. If you don't I've got reviews on those. I just love cake pieces. I'm gonna be straightforward with you. So I'm trying to get to the center here without eating too much, so I can show y'all. I'll just try and show y'all now, but if you can see, there's some candy pieces. So that's pretty exciting. Let's get that in there. Those got a really nice sugary touch as well. This is a really good sugary blizzard. Now, I can't remember if this runs till the 21st or the 24th. I'll update it in my description and the link, or the description of the video. But yeah, this is very sugary, very cake-like. I feel like I'm having a party right now, you know? Absolutely delicious. I've got everything in one bite right there. Most of the time I tend to finish the blizzard during the review, but I think I'm just gonna settle for eating it halfway, and then I'll just... Oh, I need gas. I thought I bought gas yesterday. Oh, anyways, I guess I'll settle for eating half of it because I already know what I know. I'm gonna give it a 10. Very sugary. It's a good frosting taste, I guess. I think they mix like a frosting flavor in there as the base. Got nice candy pieces and then cake pieces to really gel well together, and it feels like I'm at some birthday party eating an elegant cake, or at some graduation party eating an elegant cake, because not every birthday party has elegant cake with the little candy pieces on there, but you go to a big celebration like a graduation or an award ceremony, you get this nice fancy cake with candy pieces on it. So yeah, it's very fitting for an 80th year celebration. And here's your 20 more years. I'm not saying 80 more years, I'm saying 20, because I want to see what happens on their 100th birthday. I want them to release 100 different blizzards. That may not sound feasible, but that's what I want, and that's what we better get. I'm just kidding, but it would be cool to see. Speaking of 100, before I wrap everything up, this is, y'all gonna be weirded out if you're still watching this, but I collect Happy Meal toys. So starting Tuesday, McDonald's is doing 96 Minion toys. Now, there's 48 different types, and then each one has a gold variation that you have a 1 in 10 ratio of getting. My plan is to get all of them. If I have to buy extras, I'll buy extras. But I have in my mind, I have hope that there's a way that I can get them without having to do any of that. I'm not going to say it because if enough people see this video, the word will get out on how that is possible. But I don't even know if it's going to be possible. I just know from past experiences that it has been possible. So anyways, yeah, big things coming to the food industry. I've got quite a few more reviews coming, but this is the one that I wanted to do this morning and go ahead and upload. So If your Dairy Queen's open for breakfast, you could go get you this Blizzard now. But if you just want to wait for later, that's fine too. But yeah, that's my review. I highly recommend this Blizzard, and I hope y'all have a great day. Remember, this is a 10 out of 10, and that's what I got for y'all for now. I'll see y'all around.